Logical link control layer. It is responsible for transferring the packets to the network layer of the receiver that is receiving. It identifies the address of the network layer protocol from the header. It also provides flow control. Second one is media access control layer. A media access control layer is a link between the logical link control layer and the network physical layer. It is used for transferring the packets over the network. Network layer. It is a layer 3 that manages device addressing, tracks the location of devices on the network. It determines the best path to move data from source to the destination based on the network conditions, the priority of service, and other factors. The data link layer is responsible. The network layer is responsible for routing and forwarding the packets. Routers are the layer 3 devices. They are specified in this layer and used to provide the routing services within an inter-network. The protocol used to route the network traffic are known as network layer protocols. Examples of protocols are IP and IP version 6. Functions of networking layer. Internetworking. And internetworking is the main responsibility of the network layer. It provides the logical connection between different devices. Next one is addressing. A network layer add the source and destination address to the header of the frame. Addressing is used to identify the device on the internet. Routing. Routing is the major component of the network layer and it determines the best optimal path of the multiple path from the source to the destination. Packetizing. A network layer receives the packet from the upper layer and convert them into packets. This process is known as packetizing. It is achieved by the Internet Protocol. Transport layer. Transport layer is a layer 4 protocol. It ensures the messages are transmitted in the order in which they are sent and there is no duplications of data. The main responsibility of the transport layer is to transfer the data completely. It receives the data from the upper layer and converts them into smaller units known as segments. The layer can be termed as an end-to-end layer as it provides point-to-point connection between the source and destination to deliver the data reliably. Two protocols used in this transport layer are transmission control protocol, user datagram protocol. Transmission control protocol. It is a standard protocol that allows the system to communicate over the internet. It establishes and maintains a connection between hosts. When data is sent over the TCP connection, then the TCP protocol divides the data into smaller units known as segments. Each segment travel over the internet using multiple routes and they arrive in different orders at the destination. The transmission control protocol reorder the packets in the correct order at the receiving end. Second one is user datagram protocol. User datagram protocol is a transport layer protocol. It is an unreliable transport protocol. As in this case, a receiver does not send any acknowledgement when the packet is received. The sender does not wait for any acknowledgement. Therefore, this makes the protocol unreliable. Functions of transport layer. Service point addressing. Computers run several programs simultaneously due to this reason only. The transmission of data from source to the destination, not only from one computer to another computer, but also from one process to another process. The transport layer add the header that contains the address known as service point address or port address. The responsibility of the network layer is to transmit the data from one computer to another computer. And the responsibility of the transport layer is to transmit the message to the correct process. Thank you.